So you just watched the video of me reading the story of Mortimer the way we read it in class. So those of you might remember that what we were working on when we read that story is how melodies can go up and go down by steps. So if you think about a staircase, okay? Now, when we're reading stepwise motion in music, we use those funny syllables that were on the wall above the board when you're in my room. You know, the do, the re's, and the mi's. So we're going to practice this time. When we read Mortimer, we're going to actually do our hand signs and our syllables. So do is here, then we go re, mi, fa, so, la. And actually, la is where we're going to stop. So when we go up the steps, we're going to go do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. And then when we go down, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Practice that with me this time. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. And then we're going to go down. So, fa, mi, re, do. So now let's read the story of Mortimer again, but this time let's do the hand signals and the syllables on the way up the stairs and down the stairs, and all the rest stays the same. So here's the story of Mortimer again, using it to practice our hand signs and our syllables. One night, Mortimer's mother took him upstairs to go to bed. Here we go. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. How did you do? When they got upstairs, Mortimer's mother opened the door to his room. She threw him into bed and said, "Mortimer, be quiet." Mortimer shook his head yes. Okay, get ready. We're going to go down the stairs this time. The mother shut the door, then she went back down the stairs. So, fa, mi, re, do. As soon as she got back downstairs, Mortimer sang, "Clang, clang, rattle, bing, bang, gonna make my noise all day. Clang, clang, rattle, bing, bang, gonna make my noise all day." Mortimer's father heard all that noise and he came up the stairs. Okay, let's do it again. Remember, we're starting on do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. He opened the door and yelled, "Mortimer, be quiet." Mortimer shook his head yes. The father went back down the stairs. Here we go. So, fa, mi, re, do. As soon as he got to the bottom of the stairs, Mortimer sang, "Clang, clang, rattle, bing, bang, gonna make my noise all day. Clang, clang, rattle, bing, bang, gonna make my noise all day." All of Mortimer's 17 brothers and sisters heard all that noise, and they all came up the stairs. Thump, 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 thump. Yeah, that's time I did the thumps, but you know the signals. You want to try it again? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. Good job. They opened the door and yelled in a tremendous loud voice, "Mortimer, be quiet." Mortimer shook his head yes. The brothers and sisters shut the door and went downstairs. So, fa, mi, re, do. As soon as they got to the bottom of the stairs, Mortimer sang, "Clang, clang, rattle, bing, bang, gonna make my noise all day. Clang, clang, rattle, bing, bang, gonna make my noise all day." They got so upset they called the police. 2 policemen came and they walked very slowly up the stairs. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. They opened the door and said in very deep policeman-type voices, "Mortimer, be quiet." The policeman shut the door and went back down the stairs. So fa mi re do. As soon as they got to the bottom of the stairs, Mortimer sang, "Clang, clang, rattle, bing, bang, gonna make my noise all day. Clang, clang, rattle, bing, bang, gonna make my noise all day." Well, downstairs no one knew what to do. The mother got into a big fight with the policeman. The father got into a big fight with the brothers and sisters. And upstairs, Mortimer got so tired waiting for someone to come up that he fell asleep. So when we were reading this story, we only went from do to la, but let's try singing it from do, from the low do all the way up to the high do now. Let's do that together. Ready? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Now let's try singing it down. Ready? Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. I hope you enjoyed this different way of reading this story. Thanks for joining in, guys.